At least 14 counties in Kentucky are now declared disaster areas following deadly flooding. The Red Cross has deployed several volunteers, including Mary Knoll, Fred Lehman, and Heidi Dampman from Pennsylvania.
Giving the people a warm, safe, dry place to go so that they can start the mental process of recovery.
The three say these pictures they took show how the high rising water that swept through Thursday removed homes from foundations, tipped cars over, and left some areas under 30 feet of water.
For those that experienced the flooding in Pennsylvania area last year,
right,
what I saw was probably 10 times worse than what they saw. It is, I mean, you look up and there's clothes hanging from trees 30 feet above the water line.
Very resilient community, but it's going to take years for them to recover from the 3 incidents that they've been through in the last 12 months.
Sunday on NBC's Meet the Press, Governor Andy Beshear described the destruction.
It's tough. This is one of the most devastating, deadly floods that we have seen in our history. It wiped out areas where people didn't have that much to begin with.
Climate experts say global warming has not increased the number of floods, but it has increased their severity because of more powerful rainstorms. This one in particular is the reason state officials say thousands of homes across Kentucky do not have power, water, or both.
You never know how much you have to be thankful for until you see how much you can lose.
And more rainfall, about 1 to 3 inches, is expected over the next 2 days.
Be thankful when you wake up each day, because these people did not know what their day was going to, what the outcome of the day was.
Leah Uko, NBC 10 News.